Hey guys, my name is Ron Wilson and I am the Chief Operating Officer, COO at ITM Capital LLC. This video is going to be brief, it's going to be to the point. What I want to tell you today is who we are, what we do, and how it's going to help you become a successful trader. No Lamborghinis, no flashing of money, no funky stuff like that. I'm just going to be straight with you from this first video all the way through every video we do moving forward. So before I get started, I'm going to ask you, I'm going to beg you, like and subscribe this channel because it will help you become a successful trader. ITM Capital is a new company. The owner and CEO is Kevin Bumpus. He's a hands-on, he's one of the best traders, period, in the world. We did not lose a single trade last week. Not a single trade in a week. No fluff, no stuff. So I want to talk about right now who we are. Here at ITM Capital, we have a mission. I was introduced to trading about 4 years ago, guys. And what a rocky road. I can't tell you the money that has been blown in accounts, the scandals I've been sucked into, the bad advice from people, all these different hundreds and hundreds of indicators that you're using, and they tell you do it like this, and you go and your account blows. You lose trade after trade after trade after trade, following people that really don't have your best interest at heart. Our goal at ITM is very simple. We're going to make trading easy, not only for the people that know nothing about trading, but for you guys that have been literally losing for years and years, and you know who you are. You're out there, you're listening to me right now. And you've got to be tired. And for you brand new traders, I'm going to tell you, don't believe the hype on the internet. Don't believe the Mamba effects. Don't believe the Yaters. Don't believe these Lambo Raoul. Listen, these guys are making money off subscriptions. They're making money off of classes. Their interest in you learning how to trade is the bottom of the list. And so we're going to eliminate that here. We're going to do it right. We're going to do it straight. We're going to be honest with you. And we're going to challenge and push you. Do we have expectations? Yes. My time is precious. My CEO's time is precious. And we absolutely expect anyone that comes aboard with us to respect our time. If we ask you to do something, it's not for us. It's for you. It's something that will help you become a better trader. Because here at ITM Capital, we never stop learning. I don't care how good we get at trading. We're still going to watch videos. We're still going to read books. We're still going to take courses because we want to be better. We want to be the best at what we do. And we're going to be the best at what we do. No question about it. I don't know many people that can out-trade this firm. Now, what do? We teach people like you how to trade the right way. We teach beginners the basics of trading. How to get on MetaTrader. How to transfer money from your broker into MetaTrader. Where to set a stop loss. Where to set a take profit. I mean, we teach the basics of trading. What is a candle? What is a wick? If you know nothing about trading and you're interested in learning, you want to be on this channel right here. You want to jump on board. No need to even hesitate. Nothing to think about. If you've been trading for a while, the only reason you're watching this video is because you know you're losing money. So let's just don't play any games. Just be real with yourself and be real with us because we're simply here to help you. I cannot stress that enough. I work from home. I can sit at this computer and I can pull out all the money I want. The stock market is a river, a sea of money. And they will let you take as much out as you can possibly take out. But you have to know how to take it out. Because they'll go in your pocket and take every dime that you have. And some of you out there know exactly what Ron is talking about right now. And it makes me smile because it's a process. But we're going to cut that curve down to this. So you don't have to go through what we went through. You don't have to listen to the nonsense that we had to listen to. Now, how can we help you? What can we do to help you? I'm going to tell you exactly what we do. The first thing we do is we teach you the basics for free. We teach you everything you need to know to be set up to trade. If you're already trading, we're going to take your trading. We're going to throw away all that garbage that you've been doing. You've got to get rid of all these lagging indicators. They're lagging. That's why you're losing. That's why you're losing. You have to be honest with yourself. We're going to break this thing down and make it easy for you. Like, we literally give you this stuff for free. Black, white, green, purple, Chinese, we don't care. We don't care. If you got $20, we can show you how to make that grow. If you've got $20,000, we can show you how to make that grow. It doesn't make us any difference what your level is. We're not bougie. Here at ITM, we're just not bougie. We really do care about you. So I have a couple of things I want to tell you that we're actually going to do. We're going to teach you risk management. We're going to teach you how to trade with MetaTrader. We're going to tell you which funded accounts to get. And if you don't know what a funded account is, that's okay. We teach you. But it's basically where they give you a whole bunch of money to trade. Anywhere from $15,000 up to $2 million of their money that they let you trade. And they give you up to 90% of the profits. I cannot make this up. We're also going to teach you technical analysis. And most importantly, how not to lose your money. Because in the end, that's what this is all about. This isn't a school teacher position. This isn't a fireman's position. This is not a position that people attain to being a day trader. It's only certain people that are attracted to this. And I'm so glad you're here because obviously you are that type. So again, if you haven't liked this channel and subscribed at this point, you're absolutely insane. And I just can't help you from there because I'm going to do videos as often as I can to help you learn this business, skill, trade, whatever you want to call it, however you want to perceive it. There's nothing better than getting up in the morning, sitting here in my underwear and a tank top, taking trades. There's nothing better in my life. I can go out and play with my dog. I can go to the store. I can do whatever I want to do in my life because I am a successful trader. I love you, Kevin. I love you so much, my boy. You are my guy. I tell you guys, sometimes I just want to cry. Sometimes I just want to cry because this is real and it's absolutely 100% life-changing. You stand before a sea of money. And this is not about the money. It's not about gold watches. It's not about Lambos and mansions. If you out there can make $1,000 a week consistently, listen, that's life-changing. And nobody that's on here can tell me anything different. If you're trying to be a millionaire tomorrow, forget about it. Wrong channel. They've got videos out there that tell you that lie. If you think you're going to come in and make $100,000 next month, this is not your channel. They have channels out there that will tell you that lie. Is it possible? Of course it's possible. But when a football team is on the 10-yard line and they have 90 yards to go, they don't throw a 90-yard pass. They want to go 10 yards. When they get 8 of those yards and they still have 82 more yards to go, they're not going to throw an 82-yard pass. They're going to run that ball 2 yards or they're going to throw a screen pass out 2 yards. If it goes into the end zone, that is absolutely wonderful. And that's what they hope on every play. But the goal is I just need 10 yards. Because if I get that 10 yards, I get another chance to go 10 more. And eventually, where are you going to wind up at? In the end zone. Now, what else we do for you, I don't want to get off on a tangent, sometimes I do, is we also give you 5 days of free alerts. We prove to you that we know what we are doing. We prove it. We give you 5 days, 5 of free alerts. You're going to get 3, 4, 5, 6 alerts a day. We're going to tell you what to pull, exactly where to pull it at, exactly where to set your stop loss, exactly where to set your take profit. And we're going to give you 5 days. If after that 5 days, you see that, oh my goodness, these guys made us money. Look at this. I just made $200 last week. I just made $1,000. At that point, we're going to charge you 150 measly little stinky dollars per month. And you can take our alerts forever. If you never want to learn to trade, pay us $150 a month and live your life. You get a ding on your phone, you pull it out, oh, they GBP USD, they've got a trade. Doop, 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 doop. You pull that trade, you set your stop loss, you set your take profit, put your phone back down, and go back to typing at your job, go back to playing with your kids, go back to watching the waves at the beach. You can live your life and still make money without ever having to sit here like we do and take trades. I mean, guys, I'm literally saying, begging, that follow ITM Capital if you want the real deal. If you want the real deal, no fluff, no stuff. Like this channel, subscribe to this channel. I'm going to put the link to our Telegram in the description. Go look at it. Go look at our Telegram. Go look at it. Go see if what I'm telling you is true. Go look at the alerts that we've sent out over the past few weeks and months. That in itself is going to let you know that, oh my God, these guys are really real in what they're saying, because we are. Now, as I said in the beginning, I'm not going to keep you long, but I want to give you these stats right here. If you take 100 men that are 25 years old, they all think in their mind that they're going to be successful. But let me tell you what happens by the time those 100 men are 65 years old. One will be financially rich. All the money and more money, he has money to give away. He's rich. 4 will be financially independent. They don't depend on the government. They don't depend on food stamps. They don't depend on their kids or their daughter or their uncle to take care of them. 65 years old. 5 will still be working at 65. 5 will still be working. Who wants to work after they're 65 years old? Really, family? But here's the most sad statistic of all. 54 of those 100 men will be broke. We can't cheat death. A lot of those people just die. Car accidents, health problems, whatever it is. I don't know what else to say on this introduction video other than I love you. We here at ITM Capital, we care about you. We would love for you to be able to live your life fully. And money is the only way to do that and be happy. You want to get your kids the G.I. Joe with the Kung Fu grip. You want to be able to give your mother something to help her out. You want to be able to give back to the community. Nice cars, hey, that's great. You're never going to see a picture of my car. You're never going to know what I drive, because that's my business. I don't need to flash fancy things for you to know that what I'm saying is real. If you want to know what I'm saying is real, you go into that description and you go to ITM Capital Educational Telegram and look at what we've done. Look at what we've already proven. And again, we're going to give you 5 free days of alerts, which is more than enough time for you to say to yourself, I'm in. So I'm going to tell you from the first video, I love you guys. I hope you come with us, and I will see you in the next video. This is Ron Wilson, CLO, ITM Capital, and I'm out. See ya.